Another challenge, I think, so that also comes with a film like this is being an outsider, especially, there is a star cast which is already established in
Yes,
the with the audiences. Okay, when you are a part of an ensemble and it's your second film in
yes,
Bollywood, वो एक डर रहता है as an actor also to be seen or to stand out in that cast.
of course. That is always there, because when you're working with such big actors, so you know that people are going to come to watch them. I don't have such a big audience जितनी अभी सनी सर की है, वरुण की है, दिलजीत की है. मेरी ऑडियंस उतनी नहीं है.
Right.
So how can I leave my impact on the person who's coming to watch the film? That is always there, because I want to grow. Even I want to be there. So
Right.
I have to keep everything in my mind before performing. That's why I am always clear with the directors also,
Okay.
because I ask a lot of questions. Sir, ये कहाँ से आया? ये क्यों हुआ? यहाँ मैं ये कर लूँ, यहाँ मैं वो कर लूँ. Because then there is no point कि मैं एक पार्ट करके चला जाऊँ, नोटिस भी ना हो. क्योंकि मैंने ना एक अजीत सर से, अजीत पाल सिंह द डायरेक्टर ऑफ टब्बर, आई आस्क्ड हिम वंस, सर दिस इज़ द पार्ट, शुड आई डू इट और नॉट? तो ही सेड, परम, कुछ स्क्रिप्ट को इफेक्ट हो रहा है तेरे होने या ना होने से. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट. अगर इफेक्ट हो रहा है स्टोरी को, तो फिर तो वो पार्ट कर. डजेंट
Right.
मैटर इट्स सिंगल सीन और टू सीन्स और इट्स अ बिग पार्ट, फर्क पड़ रहा है तो कर.
Right.
So that's what I follow. And
Okay.
I have a team who thinks very good about me, who's always in support, who's always thinking about how to grow, how to make him a star. So I'm very fortunate like that.
On a set where there is Varun Dhawan, there is Diljit Dosanjh, there is Sunny Deol, what is the, off-screen camaraderie like?
So I have my majority of my scenes are with Varun,
Yes.
and a few scenes with Sunny sir. So in the beginning, I was a little worried कि oh, Varun Dhawan is a very big star, and I don't know, his father is also a big director, so I'm gonna work with him, and I don't know how is he going to be on the sets, because अगर थोड़ा सा भी ऊपर नीचे हुआ तो scenes impact होंगे नहीं होंगे. But 2-3 दिन हुए थे, we started getting along very nicely, and the ice broke when we started playing cricket.
Okay.
So on our days off, we used to play cricket in the hotel. So वरुण भाई की टीम से मुझे कॉल आ जाता, चीमा एक दिन बिगनिंग में मैं नीचे गया नहीं, मैंने कहा यार क्या मतलब. तो
Right.
कॉल आया चीमा, तो वरुण ने बोला, अरे कहाँ है, आना यार खेलते हैं. उसके बाद अच्छा हुआ. देन वी यूज्ड टू डिस्कस अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग. वरुण
Okay.
भाई, because at that time Black Warrant got released.
Ha,
So
yes.
Varun bhai watched Black Warrant and he liked my work, and he came to me and said कि परम, I've seen Black Warrant, I loved your work, even my wife likes your work. जब वो आई भी, उन्होंने मुझे स्पेशल मिलाया, अरे ये वही लड़का जिसकी आंखें. तो यही हुआ था. हाँ, तो वो हुआ. उसके बाद एक there was this scene, I was doing one scene and my spot boy told कि वरुण sir was going back and he stopped. अपनी
Okay.
गाड़ी का दरवाज़ा बंद किया और ही केम बैक. उन्होंने देखा कि यार चीमा का सीन है सर, मुझे आई वांट टू सी दिस सीन, व्हाट एन एक्टर यार.
अरे,
तो यस, मज़ा आया. सनी सर के साथ एक दो सीन्स हैं, बट वो तो ब्रो, मतलब सनी देओल को तो हम कब से देख रहे हैं,
of
तो उनके
course.
साथ, एंड ही हैज़ अ वेरी बिग ऑरा.
True.
So it was,
Very strong one.
yeah, it was always there. Okay, Sunny sir is going to come in 15 days. Sunny sir is coming in 13 days, 10 days, 8, 3,
The
2. Oh, Sunny
countdown.
sir is here. You see a car coming on the sets, and Sunny sir is getting out of the car, and you're like, oh, that's Sunny Deol. And Sunny Deol is quiet, not talking, very shy. And when you see him on screen, on the monitor, and you are like, oh my god, this, now I can feel border. Now I
Right.
can feel what is border. And then I had a scene with him, so I had to walk from a very long way to come to him, or kuch conversation hai. And in the beginning my hands were shivering कि ओ देखते हैं, झंडा जाके देना सनी सर को, कैसे होगा. But when I entered the scene, I gave him the flag, I was standing and listening what he's saying, and you just get lost in your own world, watching what
Wow.
Sunny Deol is performing. You are just in the scene. And I used to recall the dialogues that he was speaking in that especially in that scene. You remember everything that he said. That's the power of Sunny Deol. You
absolutely.
remember every line, every way. कहाँ कहाँ उन्होंने स्ट्रेस दिया, कहाँ छोड़ा, कैसे बोला, वो आपको उनका डायलॉग उनके फॉर्म में, उनके वे में याद रहता है.
Absolutely. And you know, while दिलजीत के साथ सीन्स नहीं है, आहान के साथ सीन्स नहीं है, ऑफ स्क्रीन इंटरेक्शन तो हुआ
No,
होगा.
we never met off screen. No.
Oh,
because
अच्छा.
हमारा शूट बिगिनिंग में हो
अच्छा,
गया था.
completely अलग ही shoot हुआ.
After that they shot with Sunny sir, and then they shot with everyone else. So we finished our shoot in April.
Oh, अच्छा.
Jan, we started around end of Jan and finished in April.